Find the value of x and y. So what we've got here is two triangles, and we're probably going to use similar triangles. I'm going to show these triangles are similar. Now one of the problems is that this triangle is this way round and the other triangle is the other way around. What these say is that that angle is equal to that angle and that angle is equal to that angle. So using that idea, so writing down triangle B, ABC and PQR, what we're going to do is pair up angles. Now it doesn't matter really where you start, but we're going to start with A. If we look at A, what goes with A on the other triangle? What has the two lines here? Well, it's side Q. So write that down. B, what goes with B here? And then we can see that that's going to be P, and therefore C must match up with R. Alright, because at least two of the angles are the same, then triangle ABC and triangle PQR are what's known as similar. So the sides are in the same ratio. Now what we can say now is that AB, so what you do is you go down the list, AB over QP, so all the letters get mixed up, but we've sorted them out by what labelling here in this order, and then BC is over PR, and then we go from C back to A, that's CA, and then we're on this one we're going to go R back to Q. Notice this starts with A and finishes with A, this starts with Q and finishes with Q, so we've been around the triangles. Why the letters haven't come out in the right order here is that the triangles have been flipped. Now putting in the numbers, so AB is Y, so we've got Y over QP, which is X, is equal to BC, which is 3x minus 1.5 over PR, so that's going to be over 3, so you need a little bit of care over this, is equal to CA, which is 21, over RQ, which is 6. Right, so that's what you need to set up first. Now it's quite easy. Now we want, first of all, let's find x. Before we can find y, we do actually have to find x. So we're going to take these two here, and we're going to write them out. 3x minus 1.5 over 3 is equal to 21 over 6. This cancels down. 3 goes into 6 twice and into 21, 7. And then we're going to cross multiply. So we're going to take the 2 and put it up in front of this one. So it's 2 brackets, 3x minus 1.5. And then do 3 times 7, which is 21. Expanding the bracket, we're going to get 2 times 3x, which is 6x. 2 times minus 1.5, which is minus 3, is equal to 21. Now we're going to add 3 to both sides. So we're going to get that 6x is equal to 21 plus 3, which is 24. We're going to divide by 6, and then we're going to get that x is equal to 4 centimetres. Right, having got that, we now need to find y. The only thing that has y is this, and the one we've got the two numbers here is that, so we're going to use those two. I'm going to write down y over x is equal to 21 over 6. Again, we're going to say that 3 goes into 6 twice and into 21. 7, you don't have to do that, but it just makes the numbers easier. We already know that x is 4, so we're now going to write down y over 4, because x is 4, is equal to 7 over 2. We're going to cross multiply. Cross multiply, we're going to get 2y is equal to 4 times 7, which is 28. We're going to divide by 2, and we're going to get that y is equal to 14 centimetres. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use similar triangles to find length when one triangle has been flipped. Okay, I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.